Greetings, technology enthusiasts. I am Chandrahas and I am delighted to be here with you representing CyberBrainer. Do you not believe that the technology sector is advancing at an unprecedented rate, making this an opportune moment to acquire the skills that will facilitate your progress? With CyberBrainer, we are empowering you to take control of your own future. At CyberBrainer, we do not merely impart your interests. We assert that information is power, yet it is the application of knowledge that distinguishes you. Our courses are meant to equip you with essential skills, whether you are pursuing data science, understanding artificial intelligence, or delving into cybersecurity. Let us commence the session and seize the future today. Thank you.
I log in as Logan McNeil. And in order to create any report, we have a task called Create Custom Report. This task. And these create custom report names, report type, advanced data source, optimization for performance. These are the few tasks. I'll just try with one of the report, which is always like we always start with a simple report. And there are a lot of types. And as you mentioned that you will be working on the HCM. In HCM, we are working with simple advanced metrics and search report. In generally these 3-4 type of reports. Most specifically, we covered a lot in advanced reports filtration, filter and everything. And that will be using the metrics and other reports. Once you are expert in advanced reports, it means that you are more or less able to cover all the reports. This is a temporary report. Temporary report is like which is deleted after some specific time. Optimized for performance is the data sources which we normally use for the performance. If we are working in a company with 30,000 employees or more than that, we can normally use the optimized for performance data sources. Otherwise, we just go with the data sources whatever we require. I'll just go with the all active employees for now. We are going to discuss the data sources in more detail during the course. I'll just select the data source all active employee. Click. Then we have our fields. What fields we are going to check or what are the column settings if we want to override them. Like for example, if we are selecting the legal first name. And I want it to be like just F name. These are the column headings we normally use. Then there's a last name, legal last name. Let's say we wanted to bring age, date of birth. How we are going to select these columns? Either it's coming from the requirement from the customer or you can't do anything in the report with your wish list. It's always the customer or the business who want you to tell you what information they need. And I'm without using the column heading for this. And then probably age. Age is like, we have already age as a number 2 available in Workday. We don't have to calculate age on the basis of date of birth. And I think that we have an age group too. Age group is like Workday. Allow you to group in a specific age groups. I click and click with this report. Now the report is ready with the few columns. And when you are going to run it, you click on the run. And it will bring all the age. There are few people without legal last name. And there are few without date of birth. And few are under 20. And they are between 41 to 50 and their age group. And those who do not have a date of birth, the system is not able to calculate their age or the age group. This is like one of the simplest report we have started with. If we are going to, I'll just click on again. If you want to edit this report, you have these three dots, which is called related actions. In related action, you click go to the custom report. There is an edit, there is a run, and there is a test. The difference between run and test run will bring all the employees within the system. But if you click on test, it will only bring the 10 data fields or the 10 rows. It would be faster to bring the data, and you can see that your report seems or not by just clicking on the test data or the run data. Normally, when I look at the first level, I just click on the test data that it will be more faster and we can see the data. If not and we click on the run, it will go in the detailed running. And it will bring all the data. It will take slightly more time than simple run. Of course, when you are just testing the data and assume that you have 100,000 records in your databases, it will be taking a few seconds or a minute. But if you just click on test, it will just bring first 10 records. It will be a milliseconds. The time will be a huge difference when you are running the massive data. If you want to go and edit this column again, there is a related action. You go to the related action. You go to the custom report and edit. And once you click on edit, you have this menu again and you can change anything which you want. And then there is a format. If there is a number, this field will be available only. If it is a number, then this format field is available. And you can use how do you want to display your age with the point, or with the decimal, with the percentage, with how much. Zero numbers or just whatever is there in the system. You do not choose it. By default, it will bring whatever is in the system. Is there a way to customize the formatting or no? There is quite a lot. There's no way for me to customly format it. It just has to be one of the options. Tell me, what do you mean by a customized option? What if I wanted a format where I require the pound sign? A singular pound sign needs to be at the very end and the month at the very beginning. But not in the number. It will be in the date. Yes, there is a next level. Like when we are talking about the calculated fields in our subject, you will be knowing how to do the customization. You can do a lot of customization even with the numbers. I can edit this course, how I structured this course. I will go with the simple report. I will go with the advanced report. I will go with the calculated fields. Calculated fields are the custom fields which normally work. They allow us to create some of the customization or some modification with the fields. For example, if you want a first letter to be capital, or you want the whole word to be capital, or you want to join two things or a lot of other areas. I will be going to work on the calculated fields. And once we're done with the calculated fields, I will go to the matrix report. Just like simple report, advanced report, calculated fields in the custom reports, advanced report. And then we are going to do the matrix report and search report. Let's put employee ID 2 here. Employee ID is the employee number. I'll explain it to you in the next steps too. But let's say we have employee ID and we wanted to sort it. If you go to the sort and you click on the employee ID, of course I wanted to find the field on the report that I wanted to sort on them, employee ID and then the sort direction. I would go with the ascending or descending and click. And we'll go with the run again. And now this is sorted on the employee number. The highest number is coming on the top. Now, if you wanted to sort it on the age, you can do that. If you sort it on the date of birth, you can do that on the name, first name or last name. Whatever you wanted to do, it will be possible in the sort areas. I go again on edit and now I click on the edit and then the conditions like a filter. You wanted to extract the data of specific area. I go into the filter, I click on plus sign and I go with the age. Let's say age group. I'll use the age group here and I'll go in the selected list and I'll just say that bring me only 41 and 31 to 40, these two groups. And click and run. And now you see that we have people who are in these groups, not everybody. And the total item was 500 something, but now it's 277. This is like the overall picture, what I wanted to show you. Have a great day. Bye. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.